What if I told you that the most powerful anti-aging tool in your skincare routine doesn't come in a jar, a serum, or a needle? It comes from light, not sunlight, but clinically proven LED light therapy that actually trains your skin cells to act younger. And there is one device that has completely changed the way I think about aging skin. It's called the Celluma PRO Series 1, and it is FDA cleared to treat wrinkles, acne, and pain all in one large flexible panel. I'm going to tell you exactly how it works, why it's different from those cheap LED masks you see online, and why one verified buyer said it made her look like she'd had a facial every single day. The Celluma PRO Series 1 is not a toy. It's the most popular model from Celluma, built for clinical and spa environments, but designed so you can use it hands-free at home. The panel is large, much larger than typical face masks, so you can treat your entire face, neck, chest, or even wrap it around a painful knee. It comes with built-in foam stands, so you simply rest it over your face while lying down. No extra stands to buy, no complicated setup. You plug it into a standard wall outlet using the included international adapter kit, and that's it. It never needs batteries, so the light output stays strong and consistent session after session. Now, let's talk about those 3 treatment modes. The anti-aging mode uses a combination of red and near-infrared light to stimulate collagen and elastin production deep within the skin. This is the same technology that dermatologists charge hundreds of dollars per session for, but you can use it 3 to 5 times a week in your own home. One reviewer in her 50s wrote, and I quote, "After 6 weeks, the fine lines around my eyes and mouth have softened so much that my makeup sits completely differently. My skin feels plumper and looks brighter than it has in a decade." That is not an exaggeration. That is cellular renewal driven by light energy. The acne mode is equally impressive. It utilizes blue light to target and destroy acne-causing bacteria, while the red light simultaneously calms inflammation. So instead of drying out your skin with harsh chemicals, you're treating the root cause gently. A verified buyer who struggled with hormonal acne for years said, "I was so skeptical, but within 2 weeks, my active breakouts had flattened, and I haven't had a new cystic spot since. This panel gave me my confidence back." That kind of feedback is common because the device doesn't just mask the problem, it helps the skin heal itself. Now, here is where the Celluma PRO truly outshines every other LED mask on the market. It's completely flexible, it's shape-taking. You can bend it to wrap around your shoulders for chronic neck tension, lay it over your lower back after a long day of sitting, or drape it across your legs for muscle recovery after a workout. The physical therapist reviewed it, saying, "I recommend this to my patients for at-home maintenance between sessions. The large panel covers the whole treatment area at once, which makes it far more efficient than handheld devices." What makes this device so trustworthy is the FDA clearance. This is not a cosmetic gadget with vague claims. The Celluma PRO Series 1 is a real medical-grade device, cleared for 3 distinct indications: facial wrinkles, mild to moderate acne, and muscle and joint pain. The light delivery is consistent across the entire panel surface, and the build quality is durable enough to use for daily use in professional settings. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year limited manufacturer warranty, so you're covered. You might be wondering about convenience. The single panel configuration means there are no cords tangling around multiple pieces, no heavy controllers, just one flexible panel that you position however you like. The large surface area means you spend less time moving it around. If you're doing an anti-aging session, you cover your whole face and neck at once. If you're targeting your back, you lay it flat and let it do the work while you listen to a podcast. When you stop and think about the money you spend on creams, serums, facials, and pain relief patches over the course of a year, the Celluma PRO suddenly looks less like an expense and more like an investment in your skin and body. It's the original Series 1 design that made Celluma famous, and it remains their most popular model for a reason. It doesn't rely on hype, it relies on decades of light therapy research and thousands of glowing reviews. If you want to simplify your routine and actually see a difference, maybe it's time you let light do the work.